let's have sex for the last time.
Cause Sinidi.
I just want to know whether you love me or not, because I don't understand why you keep on sleeping with me every day, any day. Why?
Are you serious at all?
Oh,
me sleeping with you, Gateway?
Oh yes!
You are going to do anything that I say. Agreed?
Maya, are you trying to blackmail me?
I am trying to keep my mouth shut.
Why do you have to let me slap an innocent girl for no reason?
Can't you see that girl is possessed? Look at her dressing. You think you can do this to me and leave? Am I not a woman? You've been sleeping with me since childhood. Why then can't you marry? I want you to sack your secretary this very minute.
What?
I don't have any other place to go. The only person I can think of is my brother.
Of course. And this is your house.
Huh? My innermost feeling is descending. Hey!
Why, Maya? You have been up to this for the past 1 week. What are you trying to prove?
What are you doing in my room at this time of the night?
So, you know,
Baby, I'm at your own.
I want to enter you.
Cause Sinidi, baby, cause Sinidi, baby, cause Sinidi.
Monsieur baby, body shape is scabby. On the top back party, she said tonight we're gonna have a sex party. None of that you joy that the Viagra. Got the long ten and the be wiser. Straight shirt if you got me drug back. But can no bar block. I got you say me mama Zimbe, I beg you put that in there. Make a shoot, I'm like